Now students, I am going to teach you about variables and constant. These terms are new for you. Before explaining the term variables and constant, I want to ask you, what is arithmetic expression? You have dealt with arithmetic expression from your small classes. An arithmetic expression is a group of numbers separated by mathematical operation. That means जब numbers को हम mathematical operation that means plus, minus, multiply, divide से separate करते हैं, that is called arithmetic expression. Okay, so now look at the following statement written in the form of arithmetical expression. Here, the sum of 4 and 9. We can write 4 plus 9. Here the statement has given the sum of 4 and 9 and we have written the arithmetic expression 4 plus 9. The numbers 4 and 9 are numbers and that are separated by the mathematical operation, that is addition. Okay, next. The product of 16 and 4. This is the statement and we have written the arithmetic expression of this statement. 16 multiply 4. 16 and 4 are numbers and it is separated by mathematical operation multiply. Clear? Next, 6 subtracted from 12. And what is the arithmetic expression of this statement? 12 minus 6. The sum of 3 and 5 multiplied by 7. आपका स्टेटमेंट गिवन है जहाँ पे 3 and 5 तो प्लस हो रहे हैं और वो मल्टीप्लाई किससे हो रहे हैं? 7 से. So we can write the arithmetic expression of this statement 3 plus 5 in bracket multiplied by 7. Clear? Here, the product of 15 and 9 divided by 11. What is the arithmetic expression of this statement? 15 and 9 multiply and it is divided by 11. Clear? The next, the sum of 7 and 8 subtracted from 20. So the statement has given 7 and 8 plus हो रहे हैं और फिर वो किससे माइनस हो रहा है? 20. So we can write the arithmetic expression 20 minus in bracket 7 plus 8. So these are the examples of arithmetic expression. Okay. Now, so students, the mathematics has many branches. Okay. So the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of numbers, it is called arithmetic. जब हम numbers की study करते हैं, that is called arithmetic. जब हम shapes की study करते हैं, when we deal with the study of shape, this is called geometry. Okay. Okay, do you know what is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of numbers and letters both? जब हम numbers और letter दोनों की study एक साथ करते हैं, तो उस ब्रांच को हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is called algebra. That is called algebra. So the study of numbers and letters are called algebra. Clear? So beta, when we use letters to denote the numbers, we call them literal numbers or variables. जब हम algebra में letters use करते हैं, letter में भी A to Z में से कोई भी letter हो सकता है. When we use these letters, that is called variables. And variables are the building blocks of algebra. Algebra में सबसे main ही letters होते हैं. Okay. So why we say variable? Variable means vary. Because their values vary are not fixed. क्योंकि letters की जो हम value है वो हर sums में अलग होती है. So its value vary and not are fixed. So it is called variable. But numbers की जो वैल्यू होती है वो फिक्स होती है. नंबर्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कांस्टेंट. दैट मीन्स फिक्स. सो नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट बिकॉज देयर वैल्यू नेवर चेंजेस. इट्स वैल्यू विल बी फिक्स्ड. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, बेटा, वेरिएबल्स कैन टेक पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव वैल्यूज. वेरिएबल्स की जो वैल्यू होती है वो हम पॉजिटिव भी हो सकती है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकती है. और कांस्टेंट की जो वैल्यू होती है वो पॉजिटिव भी हो सकती है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकती है, इवन जीरो भी हो सकती है. Because 0 is also a number. It is a special number. Clear? Now, here is an example. Look at the expression given below. X plus 6. अब देखिए यहाँ letter भी है, number भी है. And it is called algebra. Because when we study of numbers and letters, that is called algebra. Now here you tell me what is variable and what is constant. I told you letters are called variables. Yes. So this x is letter, so it is variable. Its value will be what? Not fixed. Clear? And 6 is the number and it is called constant. Clear? And what is this? This is a mathematical operation, addition. Clear? Here. Next. Here is next expression, 6 multiply x. Here is again 6 is number, it is constant. X is letter, it is called variable. And this is mathematical operation, multiplication. In algebra, 6 multiply x, we can write 6x also. Clear? It is also means that 6 is multiplied with x. Okay, so in algebra we don't need to write 6 multiply x, we have to write 6x. That means 6 multiply x. And when we are division, x divided by 4. Clear? So in algebra we can write x divided by 4 like that. Clear? Understood? I hope you understood what is variable, what is constant in algebra. Now in my next video you are going to learn forming an algebraic expression.